In this lesson, you are going to learn the easiest linear equations you will ever write. It's the best lesson. Okay, in Unit 5, graphing linear equations, you learned about HOY and VUX. And let's refresh your memory. HOY stands for horizontal, like the line above it. The O stands for zero slope. And the Y is for the y-intercept, where your line will cross the axis. VUX, well, you can kind of figure out VUX. Vertical line, like that one. Undefined slope. And x-intercept. Okay? Again, you learned how to graph those last unit. Now you're going to write the equations. So we're going to write an equation for the equations for the vertical and horizontal lines passing through the point 2, -2. Okay, I don't have a graph, so what I'm going to do is kind of create a little one. 2, 2, just a little one, so you have an understanding of what we're doing. 2. It's a mini graph. All right, so let's see. You want the equations for the line going through 2, -2. Well, let's find that point. There's 2. There's -2. That point is 2, -2. So I need to write an equation for a line going this way. That's the horizontal line. And the vertical line. Do you see what I see? The horizontal line goes through the y-axis at -2. That equation would be y equals -2. The vertical line goes through the x-axis at 2. Trust me, it does. I just can't draw. That would be x equals 2. You graphed these last unit. Well, let's look at something kind of cool. The y is the y-coordinate. And the x line is the x-coordinate. That is it. That's what you do. If you are told to graph a line through a point, graph the horizontal and vertical lines through that point. The horizontal line is y equals the y-coordinate, and the vertical line is x equals the x-coordinate. There's your x, there's your y. Okay, let's look at the next one. You're going to write equations for the vertical and horizontal lines passing through the point -5, 4. Sorry about the printing. X and y. -5, 4. So look at what we did up at the example beforehand. Write an equation, the lines through the point. So the horizontal line is your y-intercept. That would be y equals the y-coordinate, which is 4. So x equals the x-coordinate, which is 5, and that is it. That is Unit 6, Day 2. You are welcome.